Let's transform everyone's favorite green chutney with these 3 fun and flavorful twists. I wanted to reimagine my green chutney ek dip ya salsa ke jaise, so I thought why not add some flavors and textures to it? In the first version, I added some fresh mangoes, mint for a bright and a refreshing flavor. In the second version, I added some guava and raw onions for that subtle sweetness and sharpness to it. In the last flavor, I added some amla, kachi curry leaves, थोड़ी सी शुगर फॉर दैट खट्टा मीठा टेस्ट एंड ऊपर से हमने लगाया राई का तड़का. सुपर वर्सेटाइल. You have to try it to believe me. Pair these trio of green chutney dips with some chip, naan bites, papad and more, and take snacking to a whole new level. They are super versatile and can even be paired with some garma garam paratha and rice. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Do visit my blog for more such recipes. Thank you.